Hey guys, Czar here. Hope all is well. Trust you're having a good day so far. It is about 30 seconds away from the New York Open, so it's 9:30 a.m. right now. This is the Three Sisters, of course, NASDAQ, S&P, and Dow from left to right. 1 minute chart, VWAP, volume weighted average price, 2.5 standard deviations. Waiting for the first 1 minute candle to form, and that will be the 1 minute open range. The rest, most of you will know, because I do the same thing day in and day out. Very, very boring, I know, and that's probably why I get so few views on my videos, but hopefully you're picking up on an idea that doing the same thing every day, the same way, in a very boring way, can be advantageous, beneficial, and wealth promoting. Here we go, guys. The market is open. New York. Again, it is Thursday, July the 18th. More than halfway through July. Wow. I'll be very patient here this morning, guys. We had a big move yesterday, of course. Here are the daily charts. Big sell-off on the NASDAQ and big rally on the Dow. Dow hitting all-time highs. NASDAQ dropping. One of the biggest divergences on the daily chart that I've seen in a long time, maybe even in years, possibly going back to 2000 or so, the dot-com bubble. Could be wrong, but that's just the feeling I have. And the S&P, of course, splitting the difference down the middle, but also a weak day yesterday. Of course, many stocks in common between the NASDAQ and the S&P, few in common with the Dow. Back to the trading grid here, guys. You can see that we have an inside day so far on the daily. See that there? But at the bottom end of yesterday's range. And we are in a trading range from Asia and London so far today, dropping below the prior 30-minute candle now on the NASDAQ here, inside of that range. So undecided or indecisive here on the daily. Of course, we have a bullish body, but a very tight range. So I'm not going to put too much stock in the bullishness of that move. It really isn't a move as such. It's just what's happening here inside of that candle from yesterday. Not doing anything yet. Watching the Three Sisters as always here, guys, on the on another screen. And let me just show that to you very quickly. Dropping below weak, well, kind of inside the trading range here on the Dow as well. Waiting for this candle to close, guys. Sell stop order, guys, right there. You see that there? And I'm in, guys, and I'm in just like that. Bear with me for one moment. Short the NASDAQ here, guys, for a quick 1 hour. Hopefully quick. You never know how long it's going to take. But looking like that bearishness is just continuing right out of the gates. This is a rare trade right out of the gates, guys. It has everything to do with the pre-market bearish bias here with a 9 and 21. Rejecting from that zone in the Asian and London crossover where prices were rallying strongly and then drove down. And then I've done the same thing here right now on the New York Open. No one guarantees this is going anywhere, though. And there it is, guys. That was fairly clean, right? Didn't take too much pain. Just driving down. This is, of course, a double top here, zone reversal, bearish configuration. The body was bullish on the daily, but it was an inside day at the bottom of yesterday's range. That means anything goes on the daily. Tagging and rejecting at these zones, driving down below open range. New low for the day, below 9 and 21, and just a continuation of this bearishness. Thanks for being with me. Have an amazing day. We'll talk to you soon.